If you have been confused about props or you want to master them completely, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will not only understand props, but you will know how to use them in real-world projects. Let's get started. What are props? Props simply means properties. It allows us to pass data from the parent component to the child component. Think of it like you passing ingredients to a chef to prepare food. You passing the ingredients is the parent component. The ingredient here is the props, whilst the chef is the child component. Let's take a look at this example. In here, I have two components, the parent components and the child component. Imagine in a food delivery app, when we want to display different food items with their names and price, all we have to do is to pass them as props to the child component. This way, we can use them anywhere in our child component. This makes our components reusable in any food item. The next thing I want us to look at is prop destructuring. Destructuring is a way to extract values from an object and use them directly instead of prop.name and prop.price. If you look at what we did earlier, before you can get access to this food item, unless you use prop.name and prop.price. This is where destructuring comes in. Let's take a look at this example. In here, I have my parent component and my child component. After passing the food item to the child component, all you have to do is to go to your child component and destructure the name, the price, and the description. This way, you can use them directly as price, description, and name in your child component. This makes our component much easier to read and maintain. The last thing I want us to talk about is you can also pass functions as props to your child component. Let's take a look at this example. In this example, I've added a button to my child component. I went to my parent component and added this handle order, and I created a function for the handle order. This button displays an alert whenever the button is clicked. In my child component, I added my onClick function and I passed onOrder as a prop to the button. Now the child component can trigger actions in the parent component. That is all you need to know about how you can pass data from one component to another component. If you are new to this channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more.